Hey everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to download and install Filmora 14 for free on your PC or laptop. So first go to the page that I've linked in the description below, and once you're there, you'll see three options: individual, team, and business, as well as education. So if you just want to use Filmora on one device, go with the individual plan. So for multiple device, choose the team plan. So in this video, we'll pick the individual option. So now under that, you'll see three different plans. Choose the perpetual plan. So this one gives you lifetime access and it comes with a 30-day free trial. Next is select your operating system, either Windows or Mac, and click Buy Now. Enter your email address, then hit Continue. Now fill out the required info, including your card details. So don't you worry, Wondershare won't charge you until the free trial ends. And once you're done, click Secure Checkout. Then after that, open Google and search for Filmora download. Click the official link and download Filmora from there. And once it's downloaded, install the software and sign in using the same email that you used during checkout. Now you can use Filmora without any watermark. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.